Okay, so we're starting off, I believe this is part 6 of the video series, and what you can see on the board here is I've got the measurements for the footing, and I had to measure the slope of the driveway using a 6-foot level and tape measure and just figure out how much it was going downhill. This won't be just a simple footing because of the slope of the driveway. It's going to be a step footing because every 8 feet or so it's going to have to step down a level so that your footing's not above ground. So anyway, I've got everything figured out. So now the process is going to be building the formwork for it and then mixing concrete and getting it poured. So here we go. Thanks for watching. Okay, before we start on the formwork, I'm going to put a quick second coat of the membrane on the foundation. Got a different brand this time, but it's the same stuff, just a different big box store. So before I do that, I'm going to be a little more prepared this time. Got some Goo Gone. This stuff's great. If you get it on your hands or arms, I can use that. I've got paper towels on the ready, so I won't be caught like I was yesterday with tar hands and nothing to get it off. So I am also going to use a paddle mixer and mix it up first, and hopefully I won't run into that same problem where it got at the bottom of the bucket, got really tarry and thick. So we'll see how this goes. So probably can't see this yet, but yeah, definitely has to be mixed. It's almost got water on the top, so a little different than the other product, but we'll get it mixed up together and slap a coat on. Okay, totally different experience with this blackjack rubber coating. I just rolled on the first coat of this, so a second coat on the foundation, and whereas I used all 5 gallons of the last product, I only used about 1/3 of a gallon, so it's much thinner. It applies much easier, but with something like a foundation coating, I'm kind of feeling like the thicker the better. So I'm glad this was the second coat. I will go ahead and put a 3rd coat on as well, and maybe a 4th. I mean, I've got it, I might as well use it. So let's go take a look and I'll show you what it looks like after 2 coats, just 1 coat of this blackjack, 1 coat of the other material. All right, so here's the foundation with 2 coats down, and pretty happy with how it's looking. You're not seeing the cracks that we had before. So before we backfill, I'll put at least 1 more coat on just to be safe. So, all right, now to the formwork. Okay, here's a quick shot of where we're at. The corner formwork is done. I actually have to make a run to Home Depot to pick up some more lumber. And this is where the first step down will come. We'll go 8 feet and then step down again. But got this all set up and leveled, so it'll be a good base for our 6x6 retaining wall. And that's where we're at right now. Unfortunately, it looks like it's going to get dark soon, so we might be working in the dark. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock and got my headlamp on and a work light, and yeah, kind of sucks. Daylight savings time. I don't understand it. Well, I understand it, but we don't need it anymore. Let's get rid of it. So here we go. We're going to keep working.